Most people think you need coding to sell AI services. That belief quietly blocks thousands of profitable deals. What if selling AI was mostly communication, not programming? Why are US businesses already paying monthly for simple AI help? Who is actually delivering these services behind the scenes? How do regular Americans package AI without touching code? There is a business model hiding in plain sight. It works in agencies, freelancers, and solo operations. Watch closely, because one shift changes how you see AI. Stay through this breakdown to catch the practical angle. Americans sell outcomes, not technology. Clients buy saved time, higher sales, and fewer headaches. AI becomes the engine, not the product. The seller acts as translator between business and software. No code appears in the conversation. The first step is choosing a boring business problem. Think scheduling, emails, support tickets, or reporting. Boring problems have consistent budgets. Consistency matters more than novelty. This is where non-technical sellers win. Start by studying one local industry. Real estate offices are a common example. So are dental clinics across the United States. They answer repetitive questions every day. They follow up leads manually. They lose revenue from slow responses. I can assist without replacing staff. That positioning reduces resistance immediately. You are selling support, not disruption. Language matters when pitching AI. Next comes assembling existing AI tools. This is called service assembly, not development. Tools already handle text, voice, and workflows. Your job is connecting pieces logically. For text intelligence, many sellers use OpenAI. It handles summaries, replies, and data extraction. No coding is required to start. You configure prompts and rules. Configuration is a business skill. Clients never see the backend. Automation platforms connect everything together. Zapier is commonly used for simple workflows. Make offers deeper control for complex scenarios. Both tools rely on visual logic. Visual logic feels familiar to business owners. This lowers explanation time during sales calls. Most setups take hours, not weeks. Speed improves profit margins. Fast delivery builds trust. Trust leads to recurring contracts. Data organization often uses Airtable. It replaces messy spreadsheets. Clients understand tables and fields quickly. You frame Airtable as a smart database. No technical jargon is needed. During onboarding, keep explanations outcome-focused. Avoid discussing algorithms or models. Business owners care about results. This approach keeps attention high. Now the real money part begins. Pricing AI services follows agency logic. Charge monthly retainers, not one-time fees. Monthly pricing stabilizes cash flow. Most US clients accept subscriptions. They already pay for software tools. Bundle tools with management. Management is the differentiator. Setup alone is not valuable. Ongoing optimization justifies payment. This is how non-coders compete. Sales conversations should stay simple. Explain one use case per call. For example, automated lead follow-ups. AI drafts replies within minutes. Staff only approves messages. Response speed increases dramatically. That directly affects revenue. You tie AI to dollars earned. Decision makers listen carefully then. This framing closes deals. Many sellers use voice AI for calls. 11 Labs creates realistic voice outputs. Voice reminders reduce missed appointments. Missed appointments cost US clinics millions. AI reminders feel personal. Personalization increases compliance. You sell fewer no-shows. Again, no code involved. Only setup and testing. Clients appreciate reliability. Customer support is another strong entry. Chat widgets handle common questions. Tidio is often used for website chats. AI answers after-hours inquiries. Businesses stop missing leads overnight. This feels magical to owners. You position it as digital staffing. Digital staff works non-stop. That comparison resonates. Retention improves significantly. Onboarding clients requires clear expectations. Explain limitations up front. I is an assistant, not a human. Honesty prevents future churn. Most issues come from overpromising. Underpromise and document workflows. Documentation builds professionalism. Notion AI helps create internal docs. Clients rarely read everything, but they value preparedness. Payments are handled with standard tools. Stripe is widely trusted in America. Subscriptions run automatically. You avoid awkward payment reminders. Automation protects relationships. Scheduling calls should be frictionless. Calendly simplifies booking. Clients choose times themselves. Less back and forth saves hours. Time saved equals scale. Marketing these services stays low-key. Old emails still work when personalized. AI assists research, not spamming. LinkedIn outreach targets local decision-makers. Focus on one city first. Local familiarity increases trust. Referrals grow naturally after wins. Wins come from solving real pain, not showcasing technology. Results drive word of mouth. Many sellers start solo. Later, they add virtual assistants. Assistants handle setup checklists. Quality control stays centralized. This keeps service consistent. Scaling means standardizing offers. One niche, one promise. Avoid chasing every AI trend. Trends distract operations. Consistency compounds faster. Legal basics should not be ignored. Simple service agreements protect both sides. Templates are widely available. Do not offer guarantees. Offer service levels instead. This aligns expectations. Insurance may be required later. Start lean, then formalize. Most Americans respect straightforwardness. Clarity reduces friction. Midway reminder for smart viewers. If this perspective helps, follow the channel. Enable notifications to catch future breakdowns. Now back to execution details. Deliverables should be measurable. Use simple monthly reports. Show response times improved. Show leads captured. Numbers justify renewals. Renewals build long-term income. Some sellers add analytics summaries. AI explains reports in plain English. Owners prefer summaries over dashboards. Weekly emails keep visibility high. Silence creates doubt. Communication prevents cancellations. You become a trusted partner. Partners are harder to replace. This protects your revenue. Relationships matter more than tools. Competition is increasing slowly. Most competitors overcomplicate offers. Simplicity is your advantage. Focus on reliability and support. Businesses value predictability, especially during uncertain markets. AI services feel future-proof, yet grounded in daily operations. That balance attracts buyers. Americans buy practical innovation. Ethics should guide implementations. Avoid handling sensitive data unnecessarily. Use anonymization when possible. Explain data usage clearly. Transparency builds long-term trust. Trust lowers sales resistance. Lower resistance speeds decisions. Speed improves cash flow. Cash flow funds growth. Growth brings optionality. Some sellers white label AI solutions. Branding stays client-facing. You remain invisible. Faceless delivery scales easier. This suits introverted operators. Operations matter more than personality. Systems replace constant selling. Systems reduce burnout. Longevity becomes possible. This is a real business. Future demand will increase. Regulations will standardize offerings. Early operators gain experience advantages. Experience beats tool access. Tools change constantly. Process knowledge remains valuable. This favors service-minded sellers, not hardcore developers. Opportunity stays open now. Execution separates winners. Remember, clients buy peace of mind. AI is simply the engine. You are the guide. Guides earn recurring income. This model fits American markets well. Local trust plus global tools. That combination is powerful. But only when applied thoughtfully. Thoughtfulness creates sustainability. Sustainability beats quick wins. Before closing, review your niche. Choose one problem. Choose one tool stack. Master delivery completely. Then expand carefully. Expansion without mastery fails. Patience accelerates later. This approach reduces mistakes. Mistakes cost reputation. Reputation compounds quietly. Here is the simple takeaway. Selling AI is selling clarity. Coding is optional. Understanding business is mandatory. Those who bridge gaps win. More examples are coming soon. Each video builds on the last. Momentum matters in learning. Stay curious and selective. The tools links are given in the description. To stay ahead, subscribe now. Turn on notifications for weekly drops. You will not want to miss updates. Next time, we break down pricing math. Pricing separates hobbyists from operators. Operators think long-term. Long-term thinking builds wealth. Thanks for investing attention today. Smart moves start with understanding. See you in the next upload.